Hey Legend fans, Jake here from Legend Boats, and behind me is the Legend Uttern S59. Today I'm super excited to be doing a full on-water walkthrough. Let's go check it out. So starting at the bow here of this S59, you're gonna see the first of three variations of this U-shaped bow. So right now we have the sun lounger set up in place with those bow cushions all in place, giving you tons of room up here. You are able to walk on it, which is great, giving you full access to that walkout bow and your anchor and line storage right up here at the front. On top of that is your SeaDek non-slip flooring in that beautiful cognac color. Again, nice details and finishes on the S59 and a very comfortable setup here. The second variation of this, by removing the bow cushions up at the front here, you are able to make this a full walk-through bow. So giving you that kind of bow rider feel, allowing to face each other, passengers, and talk, that sort of thing. And then giving you access to that third variation is the built-in floor mount for the table right in the center of the bow here. So just taking your table base that's inside the storage compartment here up at the front, placing it in there and grabbing your table, you now have a full dinette setup. So if you wanted to enjoy a little snack or something to eat, chat, whatever, you're able to do that. So moving to the back here, talking about storage, is the main storage compartment on the S59. This is a huge compartment. Opening this up, giving you access to your fire extinguisher, cooler, safety gear, whatever you want to put in there. There's tons of room in there. Now moving to the command center here of this S59. Before we get started and show you the helm here, I just want to explain what S59 stands for. The 59 is 5.9 meters. This converts to 19 feet, just a different way of differentiating the sizes of the U-turn lineup. So just to give you an idea, it is a 19-foot center console. And the center console is built for the water. Again, that center console style boat are made to take on water, sitting on the dock, riding, anything like that. And a great feature, again, like we saw at the walk-through bow up at the front, is that full SeaDek non-slip flooring throughout this entire S59. So great safety feature to have, especially being a center console boat, sitting on the dock, getting wet, that sort of thing. So getting in and out of it, moving around, great safety feature. On that same topic, getting wet, is a full self-bailing hull on the S59. There are two main outlet holes underneath the rear bench at the back here. Just starting at the bottom here, we'll start on the Fusion sound system. So full sound system throughout the boat here, full Bluetooth, AM, FM, USB, whatever you need, great sound on this one. Moving up, we have our two cup holders, one driver, passenger, and we have our personal item little compartment up here. So great spot for phones, wallets, keys, anything like that, just easy, quick access to it. Moving over in front of the driver here, we have our main console. So just our two Mercury SmartCraft gauges, again showing RPM and speed as your main displays, along with that SmartCraft feature, so showing you your engine data, hours, fuel, battery life, that sort of thing. So good features to have. Inside the center here is your Simrad full navigation GPS system, depth finder, whatever you need. Nice, easy spot to look at. Just a great unit. Moving down to the steering on the U-turn. So the S59 is a full hydraulic steering system. So with that 150 on the back, making it nice and easy to turn, I can use one finger here turning this wheel. Just great to drive and great control of the boat. You have your ignition right beside it here. And again, highlighting that full open access to it just makes it really easy access to your controls, ignition, and your switches down at the bottom here. Now let's check out the seating of this versatile cockpit. You can see the S59 comes with two contoured captain's chairs. These are very comfortable. Plenty of kind of customizability. Whoever's driving kind of makes it comfortable for whoever is controlling this boat. Great feature on this one is the seat slider on both sides, passenger and driver, along with that full 360 swivel. So just pulling that lever right in the center here in the middle, allowing you full 360 access. Look backwards, so if you're doing any water sports, anything like that, you can see out the back, have your spotter right to the driver, easy to talk to. And one of my favorite features is that full pop-up bolster. So when you are driving, you want to be standing, coming in, anything like that, just make it a little more comfortable to look over that windshield. great comfortable seating. Underneath the two main seats here, we have a full sealed storage compartment. So if you need to keep some items dry, anything like that, this is a large compartment built right in there with a seal around the door. So it just keeps everything dry. Talking about dry, that self-bailing hull outlet underneath our main rear bench here at the back, along with a full storage compartment for your starting battery and easy access to your battery switch and reset fuses. So tons of storage on this S59. Moving towards the back here, over top of the motor is our ski and wakeboard bar. So again, talking about water sports, using that for any skiing and wakeboarding. And then our two main storage compartments underneath, covered with that full SeaDek non-slip flooring, which is great access to our swim platform here right off the back and fold down steps. So it just makes it nice and easy and safe getting back in the boat. Thanks for checking out the Uttern S59. If you wanted more information about this boat, make sure to contact your local Legend dealer or check us out at legendboats.com to explore the S59 and the entire Uttern lineup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.